United's EcoSky's commitment is our commitment to the environment. If you look at our fuel efficiency measures, just in 2014 alone, we reduced our fuel usage by 100 million gallons. That's the same as CO2 emissions of 1 million metric tons. And even that equates to taking 225,000 cars off the road. So United's had a tremendous record on fuel efficiency, but fuel efficiency can only take you so far in looking to reduce carbon emissions. So biofuels is the next way to bring that into the mix of fuel we're using and reduce our impact. United's actually been a leader in biofuels. Starting in 2009, we were the first U.S. carrier to do a biofuels test flight. And then in 2011, we were the first U.S. carrier to do a biofuels commercial flight. And most recently, with our historic agreement with Altair, we were the first carrier to have a commercial scale agreement on biofuels.
Altair, United Airlines, and UOP have collaborated together to create a sustainable, homegrown source of fuel here in the United States. It's interesting to take a look at what our fuel is relative to what people think of as traditional petroleum jet fuel. The product that we ultimately make is the same. The difference is what we start from. We start from a sustainable raw material versus a petroleum product that's pulled out of the ground that's not sustainable, meaning it'll take another million or so years to generate petroleum, where ours is in a sustainable cycle where year after year that gets regenerated.
If you are a passenger on a jet aircraft, you will not notice any difference at all whether you're using 100% petroleum fuel or a 50-50 blend of renewable fuel and petroleum fuel. The reality is that actually the renewable fuel burns more cleanly. Altair facility in Paramount, California will be the first facility in the United States to use the Honeywell Green Jet technology.
The Paramount facility was essentially an idle facility, and by having Altair produce their fuel for United, we're able to bring jobs to the area.
Altair is not here by chance. We chose California because it has the most stringent fuel requirements of any market that we could identify anywhere in the world. The fuel that we produce meets that standard with less energy going into it. So we get to actually capture more value with less inputs.
What's different about what United is doing in Los Angeles is that we're bringing a commercial scale biofuels to the airport. And we're hoping by doing this, we can really help to jumpstart the biofuels industry for aviation.